Hello everyone and welcome back to The Luxury. Las Vegas changes quickly, but the Bellagio is timeless. Just be sure to book a room facing the daily water fountain. Let's take a look into this luxury hotel, but before we get into that, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and also hit up the bell icon so you never miss an upload from us. Let's get started. The Bellagio Las Vegas is a top-rated hotel on the Strip renowned for well-appointed rooms, abundant art, fine dining and shops, top-tier gaming and a daily water fountain show. Entry rooms have a sense of subdued luxury and start at $129. In response to COVID-19, the hotel is operating with a safety plan designed to mitigate the spread of the virus, protect customers and employees, and rapidly respond to potential cases. When you enter the Bellagio Las Vegas, you see so much natural light coming from a massive ceiling skylight. There are massive glass structures. Each room in the Bellagio Hotel is designed for true comfort. With 3,000 suites, you'll have a huge choice and will be able to select what you want. Elegance is in every aspect of the Bellagio Las Vegas Hotel. There are many activities and attractions in the Bellagio Hotel, ranging from the spectacular fountains to the unique shows. You will not be bored here. They have something for everyone to enjoy. The Osho is a unique aquatic show that shows the unbelievable agility of performers entertaining all ages. The show features 81 swimmers, acrobats, and other performers. This show takes you on an adventure that you will never forget. The Fountains of the Bellagio are the most famous of the hotel. The lights and sounds will leave you mesmerized with its beauty. The show is free to the public and located outside of the Bellagio Hotel and Casino. Watching the Bellagio water fountains dance from the floor-to-ceiling window of a fountain view king room on the 24th floor puts you directly above the dazzling display. The fountains are no doubt the hotel's star attraction, but they are hardly the only reason to stay here. Located in the center of the Strip, the Bellagio is a luxury property that offers fancy suites to high rollers, but also books basic but upscale rooms for under $200. As such, the vibe is accessible luxury. Think afternoon tea or a craft cocktail over 2-for-1 shots. A standard room without the view will cost around $50 less, though the vantage point is more than worth the extra premium. But you should spend money to stay in a fountain room. The angle facing the fountains is one you can't see from any other hotel in Las Vegas. Garden displays lend a feeling of the fresh air and color to the hotel and casino. The first thing you see when you enter the Bellagio Las Vegas is the famed conservatory and Botanical Gardens. This 14,000 square foot space sits below a glass domed ceiling and is filled with flowers and fountains that rotate seasonally. It's adjacent to the lobby, which features a similar garden theme behind the front desk. It's one of the best places to go if you want to see the most beautiful gardens of Las Vegas, with over 100 gardeners maintaining it daily. It provides a perfect environment for those seeking more natural beauty during the day. It's free and the gardens are open 24 hours a day. At the front desk, a long line snaked beneath the candy-coloured Dale Chihuly glass sculpture on the ceiling. The restaurants at the Bellagio are a perfection. There's plenty of evidence to support this argument. The award-winning executive chefs and their staff make sure to serve and pamper their customers. The best restaurants at the Bellagio need reservations as they are highly popular. The Bellagio Gallery of Fine Art in Las Vegas is home to a variety of masterpieces. The gallery is full of colours featuring work of famous artists. It's visited by hundreds of tourists and locals throughout the year. The Bellagio Hotel has everything anyone would want. The Bellagio Spa is located on the second floor of the hotel, and it features a decor with Zen-influenced design. The spa has 56 treatment rooms. The spa at the Bellagio offers a variety of services for all guests. The casino of the Bellagio is massive, covering 16,000 square feet. It lets you gamble and unwind in a comfortable environment. And is it even called a vacation if it doesn't include shopping? The Bellagio Hotel has some of the most glamorous stores on the strip, from Chanel to Gucci. You can find quite a few stores to have a good shopping experience. There are 6 pools available in this massive hotel, letting you sunbathe, swim, or party. Full pool and services accompany the beautiful grounds, letting you get as comfortable as possible. If you want to sunbathe, the pools here are best for that. The Bellagio Hotel has it all. The extensive range of facilities, amenities, and services is amazing, and they have something for everyone at this hotel. The location of the hotel is perfect. It's located at a walking distance from many Las Vegas attractions and restaurants. And with that said, that brings us to the end of today's video. Do let us know your opinions in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in our next one.